Welcome to Omnitech Insight. Today, we're sharing with you one of the components made by Google, which gives you the best experience in mobile phones, wearables, and Gemini AI through the Pixel portfolio. We believe that AI can make day-to-day life more productive, open up new ways to learn, and create ways for people to express themselves. This is especially true when AI is built into the devices that people carry around with them everywhere. We're innovating with AI at every layer of the tech stack, from our research and models that make new features and capabilities possible, to Android OS that brings the apps and services to billions of people to use every day, to our premium hardware built with a custom silicon chip. Here's how Google brings new capabilities to the latest Pixel devices. 9 things to know about Pixel 9 cameras. With upgrades across the latest Pixel 9 phones, it's easier than ever to frame up beautiful scenery, capture it with incredible image quality, and edit the photo to look just the way you want. Here are 9 new things the Pixel camera can do. 1. Takes stunning photos and videos with upgraded lenses. Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL share the same best-in-class Pro triple rear camera system to get the best photos and videos ever on a Pixel. And the new 48MP 5x telephoto lens has an upgraded sensor that improves autofocus so you can get sharper images, even with low light. These two phones also have a new 42MP front camera, so you'll get sharper and brighter photos in low light. Plus, with a wider field of view, you can get the perfect group selfie. Pixel 9 Pro Fold has an ultra-thin advanced triple rear camera system, including an ultra-wide camera that now supports macro focus for photos and videos. The upgraded selfie cameras are now identical whether folded or unfolded, so you can take great selfies and record 4K video at 60 frames per second on whatever screen is most convenient. Pixel 9 shares the same incredible main and ultra-wide cameras as Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The ultra-wide lens gathers 110% more light and focuses as close as 2 centimeters, which means crystal clear, low-light images and stunning macro-focus shots. Reflect what you see with a new HDR Plus imaging pipeline. We've thoroughly updated our imaging pipeline for even better, more true-to-life photos. These updates optimize exposure, tone mapping, sharpening, contrast and more, to better capture things like textures, shadows and skin tones in everyday scenes. On Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, you can use up to 20 times super res zoom in night sight video or video boost. It combines details from the upgraded telephoto camera with advanced machine learning to add rich details, no matter the lighting condition. So the next time you're in the back row at a concert, you can capture videos like you're front and center. Video boost on Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL uses AI upscaling to give you videos in 8K resolution. With that high of a resolution, you can save high-quality still images, up to 33 megapixels, from the video or zoom in up to 2 times in post-production and retain 4K resolution. This gives you be in the picture, even when you're taking it, with Add Me. Add Me makes sure no one gets left behind. First, take a photo of the group, then trade places with someone, and take a second photo with you in it. Pixel uses augmented reality in real time to guide the second photographer to frame the photo to match the composition of the first one. Pixel then merges both images so everyone is in a single photo, photographers included. 5. Make edits easier with Reimagine in Magic Editor. With Reimagine in Magic Editor, just describe what you want in a text box and see your ideas come to life. Get creative and change the appearance of grass, skies, trees, indoor decor, and more in your photos. 6. Fix composition in editing with Autoframe in Magic Editor. Autoframe in Magic Editor is a new AI feature that generates options to better frame a photo you've already captured. It can even suggest a wider view of your image, using generative AI to fill in the blanks around the subject. This feature is trained on photographic techniques that emphasize the subject of your photo. Remember epic landscapes even better with night sight in Panorama. Panorama mode now delivers even higher quality images with an updated, easy-to-follow UI. Pixel was the first phone to use night sight for your photos and videos, and now it's the first to use it for brilliant low-light panoramas of landscapes and cityscapes. Zoom in even more with Zoom Enhance, even after you've taken a photo. Zoom Enhance intelligently fills in the gaps between pixels and predicts fine details for high-quality post-capture zoom results. It will be available on Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and is rolling out to Pixel 8 Pro starting today. Get kids to look at the camera and smile with Pixel 9 Pro Fold's Made You Look on Pixel 9. Pro Fold helps you capture kids' attention and gets them to smile for the camera. Turn the feature on, unfold the camera, and an eye-catching visual, like a bright yellow chicken, will play on the outer screen. The visual will play on the outer screen and respond to hold their attention so you can get the shot. That's it. 9 sure ways the Google Pixel 9 camera has successfully created an experience you will never find in other phones. Subscribe to this channel for more tech updates, like and share. Thank you.